Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the Ring Always Home app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on the search at the bottom. Now type in Ring Always Home. Now look for the official Ring Always Home app in the result and make sure it's ring.com to avoid downloading the wrong app. Tap the Get button next to the app. You may need to confirm your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. The app will start downloading. Once the app is downloaded, the button will change to open. Tap it to launch the Ring Always Home app. Once you can log in with your existing Ring account or tap Sign up to create new one. Make sure your Ring device are connected to Wi-Fi for setup. And that's it. We have successfully downloaded the Ring Always Home app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.